YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? Feeling great. Make sure y'all comment where y'all from. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know exactly what time it is. We got Columbia, Bunker, Brockton, Birmingham, Atlanta. We got some plays. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. We got some plays for this Stock Sundays. Somebody said I ate off SLB 3 times. That's what's up. If you made money, comment yes and tell me how much, folks. Comment the word yes. All right? Comment the word yes. We got Queens, Buffalo, everything. That's what I'm talking about. Let me post this on IG, and then we Gucci, folks. Spartanburg, SC, Marlin, Tennessee, okay. That's what's up, that's what's up. So I ain't even gonna lie, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 picks, folks. I got 5 picks that I really, really like. So if you ain't tapping into this one, you're wrong. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. You're all the way wrong. You need to be tapped in. It's about to go down. All right, let me accept this one. And then we Gucci. Let me send this link out to my Discord real quick, folks. And then we gonna get started. Let them know everybody tap in to Stock Sundays. All right. And then we're Gucci. All right. Now let's get started, folks. Let's get all the way started. So what are we watching today? We have consumer price index on Thursday. Are they going to ease inflation even more? If that happens, then you know what's going to happen. The stock market is going to boom some more. I'll be watching for that personally. So yes, I'll be watching for that for CPI to see if this thing will, boom some more. If not, then, is what it is. Let's see what else we got. We don't really got much. Let's see earnings real quick. I want to go to eWhispers. eWhispers. Stock Twits. All right, here we go. This is how I find the earnings for every week. Let's see. For the week of October 7th, Pepsi, Domino's, Delta, nothing really significant. You always want to go in and check if there's any significant earnings. So we do have CPI Thursday, and we're pretty much good from there. Just CPI, Consumer Price Index, is the biggest one. So let's get right into what I see. Let's get into the watch list, what you guys came here to see. First of all, SPY on the weekly chart. I always like to check the weekly chart. SPY looks good, still holding above trend line. Do we have some bullish divergence here? Some bearish divergence. Slick do have some bearish divergence, so we shall see. But other than that, you always want to check for that. Let's go to the daily chart. Still holding above highs. It probably bounced right off the 8 EMA. Yeah, off the 21. Okay. So it still looks like it wants to go, the distance, personally, in my opinion. But even then, I'm not really checking for SPY when it comes to trading it. I'm more so a swinger of other types of stocks. Looks like QQQ wants to head up too. All I gotta say is, folks, we've been talking about this all stock Sundays. I'm the one who saved you guys from getting killed from shorting the market. Right or wrong, folks? Am I not the one who saved everybody from getting killed? Somebody said yes. 2.4K, 220% on PDD. PDD was excellent. I appreciate that, folks. Yes, 1,400. Yes, 5,000. Yes, 30%. Yes, 1,200. Look at all these people saying yes to the money they made for me. All right, that's a different type of person. Different person. Honey drip. Oops, my fault. I wasn't even showing you guys. I'm sitting here talking and not showing you guys. I definitely have to clip that. But here's the bull flag pattern, folks. Here's a bull flag pattern. Here's what it is. All right. So now I got to go in and show you guys one more time. GE. Here is GE. Here's 2022. Literally a bull run from there. A straight up bull run. All right. My bad, folks. My bad. I'm be so focused. You know, I got to produce this show and give you guys plays at the same time. But yes, folks, here we go. Bullish flag, bullish flag, bullish flag. That's why I like GE. I will post the alert in my chat. But if I had to say what do I want it above, possibly above 188.4. So I'm going to write that down. GE plus 188.4. All right. So GE plus 188.4 is my one watch. I also was looking at Cisco. Kinda. Let's see if this one kind of gives us a bull flag-ish. Slick. And it looked like it already kind of broke out. So Cisco could be one too. Above 53. Cisco plus 53. Wrote that down, folks. Write that down. Cisco plus 53. We can even do a text box here just to make it easy for you guys. Cisco plus 53. All right. Then what else do we have? BA, I also like. BA is also, you know, of course, a speculative one. Risky, but nice bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD. On the weekly chart, same thing, bullish divergence. That's mainly what I'm watching it for, is the weekly chart bullish divergence. Because the weekly chart bullish divergence signifies a stronger trend reversal than anything. So BA looks good for a potential swing. Of course, BA is always into some controversy. So it's always risky, but that's another one. Shopify was the one that I called already, but I'll show you guys this bull flag. We caught this beautiful bull flag in the chat. I'm talking about, we caught it from start to finish. We caught this one right here, Shopify. I caught, you know, I'm a Pokemon catcher. So I made 2,500 from Shopify bull flag, and that was in just about 20, maybe my fault. That was only 8 hours because I called shop. It'll be big and bold. Where is this bad boy? Right there. One kind of shop, and I even told them why. And that's when I called it. So I called shop right here. And then of course I always get into my my large accounts. I'll get into more contracts, but shop was the recent bull flag. Looks like it'll keep going, by the way. I told everybody shop is projected to go to the top to about 91. So shop looks great. Shop looks great to continue. Pan W as well. nice bull flag. So are you guys seeing this? So look at this. I just showed you guys GE, Cisco, Pan W, Shop, all trying to break out of a bull flag right now. All right. Nice bull flag on the weekly chart. So Pan W. What else did we get in? Oh, and then we got in this one, folks. Crowder. So I called this inside of the group chat, and I made bank off Crowder. I made like, I think 4K or 5K. I think 4K. Yep. So Crowder was another bull flag that we got into. And boom, folks. Look at that. Made 4K off Crowder. Getting into that bull flag. So I made 2,500 off Shop, 4K off Crowder. That was a 6.5K off 2 swings. You know what I'm saying? And then the thing is, because the contracts were so big, like I didn't really have to, you see, a small move can make a lot of money because the contracts were like, I think $1,200 a piece. So you got to think 20% of $1,200 is a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? That could be, you know, $400 per contract, 200, 400 in one of those ranges, right? So that's why, you know, this one moves so easily. But yes, we got in Crowder, bull flag. So think about that, folks. I just showed you about 7 different bull flag patterns, correct? So, you know, when you see a bunch of patterns confluencing with each other, that's why I made money on Shop and Crowder, because I was like, I'm seeing multiple bull flags across the market. You get what I'm saying? And I know it's CrowdStrike. I call it Crowder for, you know, for country purposes. I'm a country guy. But yes, CrowdStrike is one of them that we got in as well. SLB 2 hit. Oh yeah, y'all right. SLB. I heard y'all got into that. Yeah, that thing went. I said it was gonna go, but I didn't know, you know, when. I didn't even get in. Should have got in, but you guys got in. So that's all that matters. You guys got an SLB. It's a oil type company. You guys made money, so that's all that matters. Good job, folks. Somebody said, Aristotle, are you under S Corp or at LLC? I mean, this is Stock Sundays. Now, when I have a business one, we'll talk about that. But yeah, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed the Stock Sundays. That's pretty much it, folks. I see a lot of bull flags. I told you what I'm watching. G plus 188.4, Cisco plus 53, and I had one more. BA. BA would be plus. I mean, if BA can really get above, I mean, I kind of already got in this thing. Need to add more. But yeah, BA is going. BA I'm up on as well. I would say CLX. Did we already look at Clorox? Clorox is slick trying to do a bull flag as well. So of course it's going to have to come up to the next level, but I'm watching that one as well. So Pan W would probably be your best bet. Pan W, GE, and Cisco would be the main watches. Pan W would be above 343.5. Yeah, 343.5 would make this take off. So Pan W plus 343.5. All right, that could be the next one. Plus 343.5. Now, I want you guys to know something as well. Like, I'm doing what is called technical analysis, and somebody said any small accounts. GE and Cisco would be small accounts, but if you want To be in the small account thing, dude, you know, you have to be inside of my small account challenge. You know, tap in. You guys got to also realize this too. It takes money to make money, folks. That's first and foremost. I won't make 4,000 if I didn't leverage about a 12. You see what I'm saying? So I made 30%. So yeah, I leverage about 12K in CrowdStrike. Shopify, to make 2,500 at 20%, I possibly put in 12,000 to $10,000. So I'm charging 125 for the month, and look what people are making. So you guys, some people are the type of people who won't even invest in themselves, even if they make it back. Look at this. Everybody's going to make their return on investment. That's somebody's return on investment. I'm only charging 125. This person is up 400 in a day. See what I'm saying? This person had their subscription. This person literally bought their yearly package. You can literally pay for a year with one of our trades. This person is paid for a lifetime subscription. Look at this from our teachings. This person, a lifetime subscription. So some of you think it's funny to be cheap and not invest in yourself when you're missing out. This person get their ROI. It's not about what you pay, it's about what you get back. I personally would pay anything to get money. If somebody told me, hey, Aristotle, for 100 racks, there's $1 million over there, I'm going to be all ears. But some of you are like, well, 100 racks, or, you know, even $100. Some of you are like, well, that's $100. That's a Ben Franklin. I can't spend that. Like, doesn't make sense to me. Look what this person did. Went from $44 to, they made a mistake here but made up for it here. Overall looking good. This person, CrowdStrike, made money. So yes, folks, and you gotta also think, if a pandemic happens, and link in the description if you guys want to get in, but if a pandemic happens or anything happens, you guys, some of you won't have the skill set to be able to pay yourself. I told my wife the other day, I said, honestly, trading options is the best thing. Let me tell you why it's the best. Because crypto, you can't withdraw the money. Real estate, you don't want to withdraw the money. Options is the one thing that you can invest in and withdraw for a profit. Yes, you can day trade crypto, but who really wants to let go of their Bitcoins? They don't care if this shit go from 70 back to 25. They ain't gonna take profits. With this, you have to take profits. So you get to actually stack. We get wealthier than these guys because listen, you haven't made shit until you took profits. Always remember that. You have not made shit until you take profits. So I don't care if you got real estate if you got crypto. Yes, you're net worth rich, but this is how you build wealth or just have a little bit of loose cash. Because cash is king. Don't let nobody tell you different. You know, I know we keep hearing, oh, get an 800 credit score, this and that. But at the end of the day, you still got to pay that money back, folks. All this, oh, I got 50K loan. Yes, you're 50K in debt. You're not 50K richer. You get what I'm saying? People act like debt is wealth. Debt is not wealth. I'm teaching people how to be wealthy without debt. All I see across the entrepreneur board is get funding, get funding, get funding. What about cash? Who's teaching folks how to get some money? This person is up. Oh, I got to show a screenshot of this. This is crazy. 13,000 in the last month. His account is up 755%. This is all in the chat. This is insane. I definitely got to screenshot some of these. Extremely grateful for this new skill set. Yeah, I'm looking at the gains inspired. Like, this dude made what? I thought I made good money. Like, this was my this is me, folks. I'm up. Well, I'm really up this and 600K in 1 year. So I'm up 645K plus that. So I'm up 918,000 this year off options. I'm personally up 918,000. So this is just one account. I haven't showed you guys the one that I'm up 645K. And I do have a video of screen proof. You know, I can show the video. I don't have it right here, but I'll show you guys. I'm going to make a reel. I already filmed it. You get what I'm saying? But yes, folks, this is one account. So, you know, who could I be as a leader without showing my people that I can make money and more money than they can, right? So that's not to brag. That's nothing about that. It's never a competition. But at the end of the day, do I have proof of who I say I am? Yes, I do. You get what I mean? There's a reason why nobody can call me a scam, anything like that, because those people are in my group. Notice you won't see me on Pocket Watcher. You won't see me on these things because these guys can join my group and see proof that I help people, proof that I am who I say I am. Already put me on blast in the chat for full point Rav. Then I went 5 for 5 last week with Rav. That's what's up. But remember, bro, you keep full porting, then guess what? The reason why I had to put you on blast is not because I dislike you. I don't even know who you are, bro. The whole, you know, and I'm glad you're in Honey Drip. That's no offense, but what I'm saying is, bro, full porting is not going to sustain you after a long while, bro. I'm just being all the way honest. Think about it. If you full port and your account is up 10,000, if you full port that 10,000 and you lose 50% on a trade, you just lost 5K. So that's all I'm telling you, bro. You sitting here thinking you're going to keep flipping your account and one day it's going to bite you in the ass. It doesn't matter how much money you make, bro. You can get lucky and go 10 for 10 on the 11th trade if you lose, because eventually you will lose, bro. I'm telling you that. You're going to lose. And when you do, you're fucked. I'm letting you know that. That's the whole point of why I say stop being crazy and use risk management. One day you're going to be fucked. I'm telling you. You keep thinking it's funny. You keep thinking, ha, 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 you guys haven't missed, so I'm going to full port. And when you're fucked, don't come and be like, oh, I blew my account because of Honey Drip. One loss should not blow your account. That's all I'm saying, bro. One loss is going to blow your account. He going to see. And he going to be like, Aristotle, you told me to use risk management. I didn't listen. And then, hey, I don't want to hear it, bro. That's all I'm saying. He said, thanks. That's all I'm saying, bro. I'm just trying to help you. You get what I'm saying? Yes, we have a high win rate. Yes, you know what I'm saying? But don't go getting mad when you blow your account. Look, I can show you the guy's win rate too. Look, this is what he's talking about. He's talking about this, my guy Unraveler. So yes, if you would have put in, 100% of your account this week, yes, you would have won. You would have flipped your account a few times. And there are some members who do that because we're very good at this. But look, it just takes one trade, one wrong trade when you oversize. Somebody said people want to find out the rough way. That's all I'm saying. But then they'll be the first ones to say, even with our win rate, look at this. Look at our win rate. Even with our win rate, somebody could blow their account by doing something like what bruh's doing. Look at my win rate with swings. This is very extremely hard to do with swings. And I did it. Even with my win rate with swings, you can still blow your account with just one oversized trade that goes the wrong way. Options is not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you don't lose. Exactly. It really is, bro. It's about staying in the fight the longest. New to the channel, outside of screenshots of the P&L, do you ever live logins on Thinkorswim account and show P&L live? Yes, bro. That's the point. You know what? Let me try to show my screen real quick because he just tried me. He said, do I do live logins? In fact, I tried to do that. All right, let me see. For one, it's on my YouTube. It's on my Instagram. All right, let me see. Good question, though. He said he's new to the channel, so he doesn't know me. So cool. Let me see if I could do this real quick. I slick one. I gotta show him this. Why is it not working? This time. All right, let's see. Oh, here we go. All right, cool. Now I gotta go get my lick back, my buddy. All right. So he put me on the spot, folks. So I gotta do it. He said that's a screenshot. All right. So here we go, bro. You ready? So I'm gonna show my screen real quick. This is a real account, my bro. That's not just a screenshot. That's a real account with real plays. See that? See that? There's a real account, my brother, with my real games. Now, I'm going to show you a Thinkorswim account. Now, I can't, let me see if I can, in fact, I can do it. I'm going to show you a video real quick. I'm going to airdrop it to myself. Just so you see who you're dealing with, my brother. This time, I'm going to airdrop this video to myself. Hopefully it'll do it. Let me see real quick. Let me turn this on. If not, then it's cool. It's probably because I'm on live. But yeah, bro, that's a real account. It's a screenshot when that person doesn't have it. Right. I'm trying to show the live login to my Thinkorswim real quick. It's not letting me, dang, it failed the airdrop. You're lucky, bro. All right, I'll show you on Instagram real quick. This should do it. This will do it. Now I'm up 145K since I posted this, but I'm going to show you this real quick. This time. All right, bro. Watch this. So this is it right here, bro. This year by logging into my live trading Thinkorswim account. All right, Thinkorswim. Now it's on my Charles Schwab, so it should light up blue instead of green. All right, and then when that loads, while that's loading, I'm showing you guys this. Look, that's that same account. 192K on Robinhood. Look, and then I am up. Look, bro. Look. 532K on Thinkorswim. See that? So look, that's that same account. I can't pull that up here because of course I'm on Stock Sundays, but I really could though, honestly. I could pull it up and show you right now, but I don't want my my login info to show. I don't even want my account number to even, you know, accidentally show on live. So I got to be careful with that right now. But I'll do another video. I got another video that I just came out with today, but that was 12 weeks ago. I'm up another 150K now. I'm up 645K. Well, up another 110,000 since posting this. Somebody said, bro ain't got nothing to prove. His wins alone speaks for itself. Somebody said, hey man, I just gotta show it. You know what I'm saying? I want people to understand that I'm not one of those guys. I got real accounts, you know what I'm saying, with real plays. You know, I can scroll and show, you know, my shit. Yeah, I'm singing that. Can we move on? He is trying to get your information. Don't fall for this troll. Oh, no, I ain't doing that. I'm definitely not about to do a live login on screen because I don't want to fuck around and show shit. My swing account up 130% year to date because of Honey Drip. In like 4 months, I learned a lot. Y'all see that? That's what's up, my brother. You have done more than enough. Protect your account. That's cool. in your beginner's course asking for the up and coming, yes, we do have a beginner's course. Somebody said the real people understand. And that's another thing too. You know, my mom said that to me too. My mom told me, like, son, and even I'm comfortable with that. The only reason I did that was because I got the proof to show people. And you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's not that I'm doing that because he made me mad or got to me or anything. It's literally for content purposes. I feel like he's right. If you can't show, gains here and there, then you don't need to be teaching. You get what I'm saying? That's honestly the truth. If you can't show proof of concept, then you shouldn't be teaching. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to, always just be like, hey, everybody, here's my account every single day. But from time to time, I'll show it. You get what I'm saying? You don't need to show it. They better just join. Nah, for sure. Why did market decline Friday when stocks were going up? Well, bro, that's the thing. I'm not you got to also understand, bro. You have a misconception of who I am. Based on your question, you think I'm a market genie or something like that. So, snap out of it. All right. I'm just a guy who's great at technical analysis and fundamental analysis. That's all I am. I don't work for Wall Street. I live in Atlanta. This is my basement. I'm just smart. But don't think I'm some inside trader or I just know what the hell is going to happen tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just great at making high probability setups. I'm great at putting my money in things that are going to give me a high return. See what I'm saying? Like, people, I ain't gonna lie, he's not the only one who asks me questions like that. Like, that believe it or not, a question like that will tell me what level of investing the person is on. If they ask a question like that, I'm like, they just started to even believe that I'm some market genie. Somebody said classes are 5-star. Appreciate it. He's very transparent with his account in the Discord too. Get that free trial for proof. That's what I'm saying, folks. When it's all said and done, you will go down as one of the ones who you will go down as one of the ones that change your group's lives. Well, that's already now. I'm a living legend. But at the end of the day, that's how it go, folks. Somebody said, bro, try the free trial and see for yourself. I made money with my boy. I mean, yeah, appreciate that, Joseph Romero. How do you know what expiration date to buy for something like GE plus 188.4? So, I'm a swing trader. I'm not a day trader. If I was a day trader, then I would choose a weekly expiration. If you really, really know this shit is going to boom, but if you're trying to catch a trend, then it will behoove you to go a month to 2 months to 3 months out, depending on what type of trend you're trying to catch. Now, because we're not trying to catch, we're only in for a good time, not a long time. See, I teach my chat that we players. You get what I'm saying? We don't marry women. I know I'm married, but hey, don't get me wrong. Me and my wife made millions together. But, I'm teaching my son to be a player, even though I'm married. You get what I'm saying? Now, what does that mean by saying I'm teaching you to be a player? We just getting in for a good time, not a long time. You get what I'm saying? Get yours and leave. So that means about 2 weeks to a month out, my brother. I'm only 19. You inspired me to trade and invest into the stock market. I appreciate that. Great video. Question: how do you apply your stop losses? I always get filled late. Now, I'm going to have us, thanks for reminding me. I'm going to write that down. Stop loss. Y'all got to understand, folks. We got to create content, trade. Everything is just, it's a lot. And then I have to manage the social media. You know, people don't really understand how hard of a job that I have. I have to trade at a high level. Then I have to create content, and I'm the one who press send on all of the content. You get what I'm saying? I don't have anybody curating my content and pressing a button. The only people who have stuff like that are people like Shannon Sharp and guys who play in sports, because people come to them with these setups. Nobody's coming to me with a system of, hey, I'm going to post this for you, do this for you. All you got to do is walk in and speak. I'm the one who has to put up this thumbnail. Then I got to call the thumbnail guy. Like, I'll just tell you the ropes of Stock Sundays. I got to already have the thumbnail ready. I got to hit up my thumbnail guy. He'll have the thumbnail ready for me within about 5 hours. So I always got to hit him up like at least 5 hours prior to Stock Sundays. But I try to do it in the morning when I got the idea of what I want the thumbnail to be. Then I got to set up the YouTube live. Then I got to charge my laptop, make sure the cameras are charged, everything, Then I got to make sure the emails are sent out. It's just a lot that people don't know. So not only am I a great stock market guy, but I'm also a very good business strategist. Honestly, one of the best. I don't even get enough credit for how great I am at business. You get what I'm saying? Or marketing or all these other things. But I say all that to say, folks, we trying to make as much content as possible, but all the content falls on me. Then I got to do a lot of types of other content. I got to make sure Instagram content is good. Then I got to make sure YouTube content is good. So I'm the marketing content strategist of Honey Drip. So if you want to know why I don't live trade, is because my job is to focus on the swings and the content strategist of the company, the growth of the company. So the CEO, if that makes sense. So everybody has an important role, and that's my role. I just joined the score. What is a realistic amount of money to use? What I would recommend is going through the beginner's course first, my brother. So you said you just joined the Discord. Before you even ask me that question, do me a favor, bro. Just do me a huge favor. All I ask is for you to go to the read first, right? Come here, learn how to navigate the chat. Then, because you already trying to jump in, all I want you to do is learn first. Believe it or not, the $25 I'm asking y'all for is for learning, not to come make money instantly. I personally would recommend you learn first, the first week, and then keep going after just 1 week of learning. It might take you about 3 days. What I recommend is if you dedicate it, 3 days of learning, 4 days, 2 days of watching, and maybe the last 2 days of trying to take a trade. But don't just come in instantly with no knowledge. Please, folks, for the life of you, come learn this knowledge. And then the first thing you'll say is nobody taught me, when I'm literally trying to teach people. See what I'm saying? I'm literally trying to. But bro, people come in this chat and not be patient, don't want to read a thing, just want everything handed to them. Like, I can't just hand you profitability. I can teach you and then do the signals and everything, but you gotta meet me halfway. And a lot of people don't want to meet anybody halfway today. Yes, you do. You do have to meet me halfway. Do we make it easy for you? Yes. Honestly, you just got to meet me. It's really about 75-25. You just got to meet me 25%. Really, it's not even halfway. I'm doing 75% of the work for you. All I ask is just to get the basics first. And then you're golden. The rest you'll pick up naturally. It'll come to you naturally. After you go through all of this, everything will come to you naturally. But that is what you're paying for, folks. You're paying for my IP, intellectual property. You're paying $25. That's it to get IP, which is, well, honestly, what I'm charging $25 for, gurus are charging $3,000 for. And the only reason they can charge that amount is because you believe that they're somehow smarter than me because they're older and are hanging around more celebrities, when really they don't have a track record that's better than mine, bigger than mine. And if anything, they're in my group copying my shit. Honey drip is the standard. So you would rather go pay 3,000 for some bullshit when I'm giving it to you for the low. Why? Because I'm Robin Hood. I'm robbing them and selling shit better at a cheaper price. My dope is better at a cheaper price. All right, and that's the honest truth. All right, bingo. This is why you are the GOAT, bro. It's about learning. The money will come. Basics are essential. That's all I want them to learn, bro, is the basics. I ain't asking for much, folks. I ain't asking you I just need you to meet me 25% there. Just come into my chat. I'll pin a link in the comments, and then just come learn. Just learn the basics. Spend a day or two here. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to jump the gun, folks. This is not something that you can. This is not a computer chair. This isn't a toy where you put in the batteries and it just goes. This is like you got to read the manual. I'm being honest with you. I don't care who told you what. It's not that simple. Hedge funds lose all the time. Could I run a hedge fund? Maybe. Will I do that? No. You get what I'm saying? Could I take a bunch of people's money and invest it? Maybe. Maybe I could. But that's not going to, you know, I don't really care about. I rather teach you how to invest your own. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then on top of that, I feel like a lot of people who do that want to be connected and close with people who have a lot of money. You get what I'm saying? But I'm not that pressed to have a bunch of millionaire and billionaire friends. I'm be honest with you. I'm really not that pressed. We can be lazy on our own research with the knowledge you give us. Do you teach smart money concepts? Yes, we do. Free Lucci. Yes, sir. Ain't nobody mess with Honey Drip at all. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. It's your boy Aristotle, R with the Rari. And then leave a like, folks, and leave a comment. You know, that's all I ask in return for giving you guys 3 plays. All I ask is for all 1,600 of you to like this post. And, you know, my best advice is to tap in. And even if you don't tap into the paid version, tap into the free version. I'll post a link in the description. All I ask for is a like, folks. And yes, I do have a free part of my Discord. So for everybody who wants to know what the free part is, everything up here is for free. And I'm going to show you guys the schedule for free. All right, before we leave. So this is the schedule. Every Monday and Wednesday, pre-market webinar for free. But if you're in the paid version, you get it every day. Live trading only on Tuesdays. But if you're in the paid version, you get it every day. But that's twice a month. Free watch list every Thursday and Friday. And then free sports betting picks on Saturdays and then stock Sundays. So every single fucking day, you get something free in my goddamn chat for the free version. So even if you don't come into the paid, all 1,600 of you need to be in this goddamn free. All right? If you think I'm bullshitting with you, come into the free version. Now, the free version, you only get these channels, but you don't get everything else. You don't get all these courses for $25 damn. You know what I'm saying? Something so cheap that you were going to spend on some bullshit anyways. And then all of these paid stuff, leaps long term, intraday analysis, high risk play, swing trade, small account challenge, day trade, small account. And then, you know, live trading Zooms. And then you got the sports betting, all of this stuff right here. So if you're in free, this is what you're missing out on. You only get the top version. But if you're in the, and that's also valuable too. Everything is valuable, you know what I'm saying, no matter what. How much the paid version? $25 for 1 week access and $125 a month. But you got to understand, $125 a month is pennies compared to what I'll make you. and what we can make you. See, look, this person, 125 a month, they paid it. This person, 1100 in a day, 125 paid. Who else? This person spent 851 to make 3K. Easy. This person, subscription is paid. This person, half subscription is paid. The subscription, yearly subscription paid. Well, way more than this person, lifetime subscription paid. I don't even charge this for a lifetime. This person, for 125, this person is paying $125. I kid you not. Look, he's on a trial plan. He came in just like you guys will for $25 and paying $125 a month. And a trial plan has made him this in a month with Honey Drip. So you ask yourself, this person, same thing. So, you know, you're basically in my chat free. I'm going to be honest with you. Anything you pay me, you're basically in free. Paying me is not really paying me. You're literally, if anything, I'm working for you. I'm an employer of you. I'm trading for you. I'm helping you learn the stock market. So you actually got to look at it backwards. You don't pay me, you're paying me, if that makes sense. So, well, my fault. You pay me to do a service for you. You're trying to automate your stocks. You're trying to have somebody make sure you're good at stocks. So you're paying me a cheap price, and then I'm returning you your investment. That's the service. Don't look at it as, oh, he's some finance guru. I'm not like these other guys. They don't even fucking compare to me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm in a league of my own. I am 10 times better than the entire market, in my opinion. Just being honest with you. Yeah, it is what it is, folks. I'm trading for you. Somebody said you can make, no lie, you can make it back in one swing for the year. Oh, and another thing, if you want to be in my chat for free, folks, come into the, I'll show you guys. I have an affiliate program. So for everybody who wants to come in free, right? And you can, all you gotta do is recommend 3 people and you can get paid per month. So yes, you can have a chat within my chat. There's people who got about 50 affiliates so far. We have an affiliate program right here. So yes, you can literally get anybody to sign up and make 30% per month, and you can sell our mentorships. So if you want to, you know, get your subscription paid for and make money per month, I'll give you $37 per month per person that you bring in. So we can do business together too, folks. You get 30% per sale. Any package that you sell of mine, mentorship, anything. So that's another thing. If you want to work with me and build with me, like I got one dude who bringing in, we busting down to 30K a month. See what I'm saying? He getting 30% of that. I gotta pay one dude in the chat 10,000 a month. Then I gotta pay another person. He had about 25 customers. Not sure what that is. But yeah, I'm busting down some real money with chat members, like people who are a part of the Discord. So you guys can do that too. But anyways, folks, I'm about to log off now. You guys take it easy and join the chat. Let's get it.